Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the HSRP is current and that you legally can adjust it, then start removing the old adhesive layer. First, heat the sticker edge gently for 10-15 seconds to soften glue and use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle. Once the edge lifts, pull slowly and steadily. This prevents tearing and residue. Make sure to keep the sticker flat as it peels. If it resists, reapply heat and wipe exposed glass with alcohol to remove loose particles before proceeding. Next, clean the mounting area thoroughly so the new HSRP will adhere properly. Use isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth to dissolve oils and light residue. For stubborn glue, apply a small amount of adhesive remover and then re-clean with alcohol. Once dry, position 2 pieces of low-tack tape as alignment guides. This guarantees straight placement. Then, peel backing from the sticker only when ready. Slowly lower the sticker from one edge to the other, smoothing as you go to avoid bubbles and misalignment. Now you apply the sticker and finish the job. Place the sticker at the guides, press one edge down, then smooth across with a squeegee or a clean credit card to force out air. Once flat, run a low heat gun quickly along the edges to reactivate adhesive and seal. Do not overheat. If a small bubble remains, lift to the nearest edge and reapply. For tiny trapped air, use a fine needle to release it and smooth again. Make sure the plate is fully readable and secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.